Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. I'm back to share with you a project that I created from this purse die. I think it's from KS Craft. And this is what the die looks like. I obviously took it apart to use it. And this is the project that I did with it. Here is the front. I used Maggie Holmes paper. I forgot what collection or which paper pad I used. And then here's the back. And then I used a brad right here because I knew that if I tried to bring this back through here that it wouldn't fit with the bow on here. So what I did was, just so you can turn the bow sideways to open it like this, and then turn it back like that. And then I used these little handmade with love stickers on the inside. I thought that was a cute place to put them. Right here and right here. And then you can put a little goodie in here or do whatever you want. And I was going to use a Velcro closure right here, but I misplaced them and I can't find them. So I'm going to have to either find them or figure something else out to close it right here. And then for the back I used a Maggie Holmes tag that I picked up from Tuesday morning. I used this one right here. And then, no, I used this one down here. And then I stamped on it with a stamp set that I got from AliExpress quite some time ago. If I can find it in my orders, I'll link to it, but I just used this "To You" because it's the one that fit on the spot right here. Then I used some thread to tie it up here, which I will never do again because this took me forever to put on here. I'll just use some ribbon instead. So that's just a quick little project to share that I wanted to share with you guys. This was fun to put together, but I will never use thread to tie anything on again because this took me so long. It took too long. So don't forget to check out my birthday challenge giveaway video that ends April 12th. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe. Bye.